Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change printer name on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So firstly what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. After open settings window, click on Bluetooth and devices from your left side over here. On your right side you will get printers and scanners option, so click on that. Now here you will get all your printers. So here is my printer. So simply just click on your printer which you want to change the name. Now click on printer properties. Now here click on general tab. Now you can change your name from here easily. You just need to change to any name, like in my case I will type over here Technology printer 1, and after that click on OK. Now go back to your printer and scanner settings and you will get your printer over here, and as you can see name has been changed successfully. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.